Uh, Stacking this paper is all I know. I saw this coming a while ago. My team, we hard like a 4x4. Ain't nobody got a better flow. Ain't nobody in my catalog who do it better, dog. You know I set it off whenever I'm around. These haters getting soft. I'm about to stack this paper, yeah, that's all I know. Tell them we
came in the game, head in a pen. Schooling these rappers again and again. Kid on the come up, I hang with the real. So sorry, but I ain't got time to pretend. All I've been doing is trying to put in. Trying to make time for my girl and my friends. Everybody that know me, they know that I give it 100 wherever I am. Back on my grind, said I go hard. Up in the studio, spitting these bars. They told me the sky's the limit, so I be like, fuck it. I look up and rap to the stars. Skate on my grizzly, me and my midi. Riding around like just we in the city. And if we gon' make it up out of the ride, I give all that I got to bring my whole block with me like, hey.
Stacking this paper is all I know. I saw this coming a while ago. My team, we hard like a 4x4. Ain't nobody got a better flow. Ain't nobody in my catalog who do it better, dog. You know I set it off whenever I'm around. These haters getting soft. I'm about to stack this paper, yeah, that's all I know. Tell them
see, I
we
put
on
on for the city where the town at. It's the return of the king where the crown at. Represent for anyone who ever had me. Only way I know how is through a soundtrack. No sound check, I just get it when I gotta see. I started from the bottom and we coming for the top. It's been a long time coming, ain't nobody stopping us. Soon as we step inside the building, recognize we in the complex. So we take it to the ceiling. Recognize how we feeling, we do this shit for a living. This is just the beginning. All the shit that I'm bringing is definitely the shit that everybody else lacking. So open up the window, let in some fresh air. Everybody around me know I'm the best here. Straight out the X, me and Wave killing shit inside the studio. We just getting heated up for next year. Woo!
Stacking this paper is all I know. I saw this coming a while ago. My team, we hard like a 4x4. Ain't nobody got a better flow. Ain't nobody in my catalog who do it better, dog. You know I set it off whenever I'm around. These haters getting soft. I'm about to stack this paper, yeah, that's all I know. Tell them we on. Stacking this paper is all I know. I saw this coming a while ago. My team, we hard like a 4x4. Ain't nobody got a better flow. Ain't nobody in my catalog who do it better, dog. You know I set it off whenever I'm around. These haters getting soft. I'm about to stack this paper, yeah, that's all I know. Tell them we on.